Governor pressure acts on the end of the 1-2 shift valve. As road speed increases, it becomes high enough to overcome the opposing spring and throttle pressure. The shift valve assembly moves upward and lets line pressure pass into the circuit to the apply side of the front band servo. The transmission is now in second gear. Once the 1-2 upshift occurs, the differential area is no longer effective. Governor pressure must fall to a lower value to let the valve return to the first gear position, so a 2-1 downshift cannot occur at the same road speed as the upshift. Downshifts occur only at vehicle speeds below those at which upshifts occur. This shift spread prevents a transmission hunting up and down between ratios. It is called shift speed hysteresis.